Welcome back. Today we are making a fit Italian grilled egg and zucchini frittata, cooked right on the grill for lightly smoky edges, tender vegetables, and a high-protein meal that feels fresh instead of heavy. This recipe makes 4 servings and takes about 30 minutes from start to finish. Let's walk through the ingredients, starting with 6 large eggs. They give the frittata its classic Italian structure and rich, satisfying flavor. 1/2 cup liquid egg whites keeps the recipe lighter while adding extra lean protein. It also helps the frittata set with a soft, clean texture. 1 medium zucchini brings sweetness, moisture, and that fresh Italian garden feeling. Choose a firm zucchini so it grills without turning mushy. 1 cup cherry tomatoes adds juicy color and a bright pop of acidity. Smaller tomatoes work best because they soften quickly on the grill. 2 cups baby spinach fold in tender greens without making the dish heavy. Baby spinach wilts fast, so it is perfect for a quick grilled frittata. 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese adds salty depth and a gentle crust on top. Use finely grated Parmesan so it melts evenly into the eggs. 2 tablespoons chopped fresh basil make the frittata taste unmistakably Italian. Basil is delicate, so we add it to the egg mixture instead of scorching it first. 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil helps the vegetables grill and keeps the eggs from sticking. A small amount is enough because the cast iron holds heat well. 1/4 teaspoon fine sea salt seasons the eggs gently. Parmesan is already salty, so we only need a measured pinch. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper gives the frittata a warm savory edge. Freshly ground pepper is ideal if you have it. 1 pinch crushed red pepper flakes is optional, but it adds a subtle Italian heat. Keep it small so the eggs stay balanced and fresh. Begin by heating the grill to medium heat, about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place a 10-inch cast iron skillet on the grill grates, close the lid, and let the skillet preheat for 5 minutes. While the grill warms, trim 1 medium zucchini and slice it into thin half moons about 1/4 inch thick. Thin pieces cook quickly and tuck neatly into the eggs. Next, have 1 cup cherry tomatoes. Cutting them open helps some of their juice evaporate on the grill, so the frittata stays tender instead of watery. Chop 2 tablespoons fresh basil into small ribbons. Keep it ready beside the bowl, because it will perfume the egg mixture in just a moment. Now crack 6 large eggs into a clear mixing bowl, then pour in 1/2 cup liquid egg whites. Whisk for 15 seconds just to break the yolks and combine the base. Add 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, the 2 tablespoons chopped fresh basil, 1/4 teaspoon fine sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 pinch crushed red pepper flakes. Whisk for 30 seconds until the mixture looks even and lightly foamy. Carefully add 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil to the hot skillet. Swirl the skillet or use a silicone spatula to coat the bottom for about 30 seconds. Now that the skillet is oiled, add the sliced zucchini in an even layer. Grill it for 3 minutes, stirring once, until the edges start to soften and pick up a little color. Add the halved cherry tomatoes to the zucchini. Grill for 2 minutes, stirring gently, until the tomatoes look glossy and just begin to slump. Scatter in 2 cups baby spinach and fold it through the hot vegetables. Let it wilt for 1 minute, just until the leaves turn darker and relax into the skillet. Spread the vegetables evenly across the skillet, then pour the egg mixture over them in a slow circle. Use the spatula to nudge any zucchini or spinach back under the eggs. Close the grill lid and cook the frittata for 10 to 12 minutes. The edges should puff, the top should look mostly set, and the center should have only a gentle jiggle. Check the center for doneness. For safety, the eggs should reach 160 degrees Fahrenheit, and if the center is still loose, close the lid and grill for 2 more minutes. Turn off the grill, open the lid, and let the frittata rest in the skillet for 3 minutes. Then run the spatula around the edge and cut it into 4 wedges to close the cooking. And here is our fit Italian grilled egg frittata, light, colorful, and still satisfying, just like we promised at the start. Serve one warm wedge with a simple salad, or chill the extra wedges for a high-protein lunch tomorrow. If you enjoyed this grilled Italian recipe, please like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more healthy home cooking.